Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Wendy's ghost pepper ranch sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back, and thanks a lot for joining from whatever platform you're viewing this video on. Thanks again for watching. Like I said, we're going to be making Wendy's ghost pepper ranch sauce. A few things I want to say before we introduce the ingredients. I've got the ghost pepper sauce. I bought a ghost pepper puree off of Amazon. It's down in my store in that link down in the description box. But I do want to precaution you, when you open it up, don't go and smell it or anything. Keep it kind of a distance and just get the fumes from it. And then also, if you're using it and it touches your skin, wash your hands very thoroughly, because you don't want to be like rub your eye and all of a sudden you're in the emergency room or something. This is pretty potent stuff, but the video on the Amazon site has got a really good little quick video on how they make this and why it's such a good product. But I'm only going to start out with a teaspoon of this in what we're making today. You can make it as strong as you want. I would start out with just a little bit and then add a little bit more each time you make it, depending on your level and what you can handle. This is over 1 million Scoville units, so you don't want to mess around with this stuff. Anyway, with that, let's introduce our ingredients here. So we've got 1 teaspoon of ghost pepper paste, 1/4 cup of finely chopped parsley, 1/2 cup of mayo, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon each of some salt and black pepper. Recipe is in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. Let's start mixing it up. All right, so you get a bowl big enough for all your ingredients. We've got our sour cream, our mayonnaise. Then we got our sour cream. I'm gonna put the parsley in there and mix that up, just so it's not flying around when we're trying to mix it up. We introduce the liquid. Then we got our buttermilk. Then we'll switch out to a whip or a whisk. Then we got our hot sauce right here. The pepper sauce is going right in. I'll use it's only 1 teaspoon. And the recipe is in the description box below. Salt and pepper, paprika, garlic powder. Mix that all up. There it is. We got some chicken nuggets in the oven. We're going to plate this up. We're going to make it look awesome. Take some photos of that. We'll come back and we'll give it a taste. Don't go anywhere. Pictures there. Now we're going in for the taste here. Got some chicken nuggets. It's a beautiful sauce, got a lot of color. See how well it sticks to the chicken McNugget there. Pretty good. Buttermilk, mayonnaise, sour cream, give it a nice creaminess. Here comes the heat. Not too bad, not too bad. Taste the paprika and the chili powder in there. A little bit of heat coming. But all the mayonnaise and sour cream and the buttermilk kind of cut that heat. And also you might have thought that was a lot of salt and pepper, but that salt not only brings out the flavor of the food, but it also helps balance the ingredients. So, not too bad. Whoop. Yeah, this is a good sauce, very good sauce. is it to dip like this. You put on a sandwich. I had it on the Wendy's sandwich. I can't remember the name of it, but I got it because the first time I saw it, so I ordered it. I think the cheese has a little bit of this ghost pepper in it too. But yeah, that's very good. Very good. This will fit in a nice container. Put a lid on it. Should be good for the refrigerator up to 3 weeks if it lasts that long. But recipe is down in the description box. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to check out that link down there for the Amazon link to get that paste. This isn't too hot, like I said. You can add more to it if you want, but start out a little bit, work your way up. We'll take care. We'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah. Now what you